Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn action verbs in English. Action verbs are doing words. Are you ready? Let's go. Clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Run. Run fast. Run, run, run. Walk. Walk slowly. Walk, walk, walk. Jump. Jump high. Jump, jump. Dance. Dance with me. Move your body. Talk. Talk with your friends. Hello. Hi. Laugh. Laugh loudly. Ha ha ha. Eat. Eat your food. Yummy. Sleep. Sleep quietly. Good night. Now, let's say all the words again. Clap. Run. Walk. Jump. Dance. Talk. Laugh. Eat. Sleep. Great job! Let's play a quick game. Listen and do the action. Jump.
Yay!
Clap. You did an amazing job today. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Bye-bye kids, see you next time.